Good morning, boys and girls, and today we're going to learn about the fruits of the Spirit. Paul says in Galatians 5:22, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Against such there is no law. Here we have our fruit tree behind us, but Mila, there's no fruit on it. So help us remember what the first one, boys and girls, was love. Love is something very, very special. I'm sure you could think of someone you love, like your mommy or your daddy. Can you think of someone that you just love, that you will do anything for, that you will obey, that you will appreciate? The second fruit is joy. Joy is that happy feeling that just makes you feel so ecstatic. Joy is also a fruit of the Spirit. Well, what's the third one? Love, joy, that's right, peace. Peace is having that quiet understanding that even though there's crazy things happening or you feel troubled outside, it's knowing that, you know what, I'm going to be okay. It's something that comes from Jesus and something that's deep inside you that no one can take away. The fourth one is patience. That's when your mommy or daddy says, can you just wait? And you say, okay, I'll wait. That's patience. Patience sometimes is dealing with your younger brother or sister who keep on nagging, and you have to be a good older brother or sister, and you have to say, okay, I'm going to be patient and not get mad at them. Speaking of getting mad, rather than getting mad, we should be kind. Another fruit of the Spirit is kindness. Can you think of something kind you want to do for your brothers or sisters today, or your mommy or your daddy or your parents? Well, when you do kind things, you're reflecting God's goodness. Goodness is also a fruit of the Spirit. When you're just doing something that's good. We're getting close to the end here, boys and girls. There's the fruit of the Spirit, faithfulness. That's believing in God and trusting in God, even when you might not understand everything. You may be young, you may be small, you might not be the oldest in your family, but you can still be faithful. Even though you might not know everything, you can trust God no matter what. Well, the next fruit of the Spirit is gentleness. Gentleness is understanding that, we should have a calm, quiet demeanor sometimes, not being harsh or mean to others. Let's be gentle, boys and girls. And the last one is self-control. That's when your mommy or daddy say, can you just quiet down? We need to get ready for bed. You have to say, okay, I'm going to have some self-control and I'm not going to be too rowdy. Let's have the fruits of the Spirit. But the fruits of the Spirit are love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Against such there is no law.